Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Big Podcast. I am your host, Azim Fuad, and today we have joined with us Miss Amna Kasuri. Miss Amna Kasuri is the founder and executive director of The Lighthouse, following in the footsteps of her father, Manzoor Wattu, a former chief minister of Punjab.
Yes.
And she is the forefront of education initiatives in Pakistan. So, Miss Amna, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Nazim. It's and giving me this opportunity.
Of course, thank you for
Quite
being here. It means a lot. Okay. Tell us about your organization, The Lighthouse.
So, Lighthouse, I've opened it not so recently. It's been like 3 years, and it was something I was, very inspired by, like Abdul Sattar Ethi, the way he has, like जो उन्होंने अपना like उसमें किया है
Yeah,
काम.
inspiration to all this.
Inspiration, absolutely. So I've been wanting to, like open this orphanage for I think it's been like 4-5 years,
Okay.
and that was the initial like planning started like 5 years ago, and then slowly and gradually like I started working on it, and yeah, it's been like it's been open 3 years ago.
That's
And
lovely,
and yeah, we provide the accommodation, and we take care of their food and their education, and other facilities like online classes and Nazra classes.
That's
So
really good.
it's the whole program. They have their mother maids, and yeah, it's going well.
That's really
Mashallah.
nice.
Yeah.
So, as you said, Abdul Sattar Eidi is
Yeah.
one of your biggest inspirations in all
Yeah,
of this,
yeah.
which is
I
wonderful.
mean, one of like many, I think, like I'm quite inspired by like the work Lady Diana has done, and
I heard you met her as well.
I've met
Yeah?
her. Yes,
How was that? How
it was a wonderful experience. I was a baby actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. My father got this invitation from the basically chief minister at that time,
Right.
and she was visiting Sheesh Mahal, and my father was traveling, so I'm the youngest, so he was like, "I'm going to send you," and
That's nice.
I was quite excited, and yeah, I remember meeting her, and the way she was looking at me, and I asked for like her autograph, and I mean, she was wonderful. I mean, no,
Must have been a core memory.
yeah, absolutely.
And meeting such influential figures at such
Absolutely.
an early age
Yes,
must have
yeah,
influenced
yeah,
all of
yeah.
this.
No, it was a wonderful experience. One of the best experiences in my life.
That's really
Yeah.
nice. Also, you've mentioned that your father has played a very influential role in your.
Yes,
Has
yes.
been an inspiration.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
How was your relationship with your father? Did he?
Oh, I
inspire you?
mean, girls are very close to their father, and they admire, and their role model is their father. So yeah, he's been my role model, and I'm very close to my father. I still ask for his advice. I still tell him whatever like I'm doing in my life. I always I'm there with him, and I just ask him that Abuji, now I'm doing this thing, and now I've started this thing. So his blessings is always like
Very
with
nice.
me. But yes, he's been like मेरी लाइफ में उनका बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल रहा है शुरू से. You know, when you know that your father is like so hardworking, and he's doing so much for his people, for his community. So obviously it was inspiring, and um, I remember when I was a child, he used to come back home quite late, and I used to wait for him, and ask him, "Do you need anything?" And I remember I used to put his phone on silent,
Oh,
because even at
busy man.
even at like 3 a.m. people would call him and ask him for something, and he couldn't refuse them. He was like, and one day he caught me and he said, "Why are you putting my phone on silent? People, I mean, किसी को भी मेरी जरूरत हो सकती है, type of इंसान कि किसी को भी मेरी जरूरत हो सकती है." And I'm like, but आपको आपकी भी जरूरत है. So I mean, when you know that he's 24/7 like available for public, and obviously उसका बहुत आप पे impact आता है as a child, and you feel that you have a lot of pressure being his daughter.
Yeah.
So
Living the legacy.
एग्जैक्टली सो मुझे यही जैसे जैसे मैं बड़ी होती गई तो मुझे ये एक चीज मेरे अंदर थी कि आई हैव टू डू समथिंग, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग, ओके नॉट as big as like my father, but maybe like something to start.
Very
So that's how I started this the lighthouse,
That's
and
nice.
told my father, and he was very happy. Yeah.
That's lovely. So as you just mentioned that balancing work and life would be very difficult, especially with such a ऐसी मतलब the organization that you run is something that is to fulfill people's demands, obviously, जो कि बहुत बड़ी बात है. But how do you're just like your father, do you find yourself very busy, or how do you manage the time with your family? And
Oh, it's a tough one. Yeah.
now you understand कि आपके अब्बू जब उस वक्त
I
phone
know,
से
I know. Yeah. I can't be my father, like I can't be, because I mean, he was a busy man, and there was so much like responsibility on him. I mean, I'm trying to manage the workload, but sometimes I do feel that and that guilt is there, like that maybe I have neglected like my children, but and like okay, I have to balance like okay, there is something at the school, or there is something at the house, and like I'm not, I have to be somewhere else. So I mean, there is like a lot of pressure, and Alhamdulillah, I've got like family support. So
That's nice.
yeah, so they are like no, you should, and my children are like, no mama, you have to go there, like it's very important, and they encourage me, and they feel good that
That's
I'm working and I'm doing something productive.
I feel like it's history lives on the way that you.
Yeah,
history
we
repeats
used to
itself.
I mean, obviously we used to miss our father whenever he was traveling, whenever he used to travel, but then in our hearts, हमें पता था कि he is doing something good, he is making this family name, and he is earning this respect, and people love him, so that was very satisfying. So I hope that my children feel the same way,
I'm sure they do.
I hope so.
I'm sure they do. So how does it feel watching your organization? Let's talk about the lighthouse itself.
Yeah.
How does it feel watching that grow? You started it from nothing. So as it grows, you must feel so proud, as if you're a mother to that as well.
Absolutely. I've got 40 plus children.
Mashallah.
Yeah, and I I feel like good. Obviously, now things are settled. Initially, we had some teething problems, but now things are settled, and I go there and I spend time with the kids, and they look forward whenever they see me. Like they're very happy. And yeah, I mean, I started from nothing, from scratch, and I still remember that basically that struggle when it was just an idea that I have to open this orphanage. um, I remember going to different places, and I think visited like God knows how many these like sweet homes, and but I wanted to do I wanted to open something different, like out of the आप कह लो कि उन सारे एरिया से हट के मैं करना चाहती थी, क्योंकि आई मीन डेफिनेटली दे आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब, बट मुझे बेसिकली लाइक एक वो बीकन हाउस का भी फैक्टर वाज देयर, दैट वी प्रोवाइड एजुकेशन, एंड स्टूडेंट्स की पूरी ग्रूमिंग होती है. So I remember that I wanted to like give them like good accommodation, like in other like orphanages, like you go there, like there is no food quality or like control उस तरह से नहीं है. मुझे था कि पूरा लाइक बच्चों का सेट मेन्यू होना चाहिए, बच्चों को पूरी न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलनी चाहिए. And then I've seen like that they have opened these um, classes उसी premises में. So I wanted them to go outside and explore the world, because if they will continue like in the that house, so they are not going to grow. So we are sending them like to the educators, and they have made new friends. So obviously it's quite satisfying to see that this, mashallah say, this organization is flourishing.
Of course.
Yeah, yeah.
That's lovely. So, what challenges did you face? You said you faced some teething problems. So, when this was just an idea to you, did you face any backlash? Did anyone say कि ये कैसे होगा? ये इतना आसान नहीं है जितना सोच रही हैं?
ओ
या
बड़े
whatever?
लोगों ने कहा था,
अच्छा.
बहुत लोगों ने कहा था कि ये आसान नहीं है। और एक तज़ीन एक ऑर्फनेज का इदारा खोलना जो है, वो इतनी बड़ी, वो सोच भी जो है वो इतनी बड़ी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मुझे, मैंने सोच तो लिया, देन आई वाज लाइक ओके, लाइक कैसे करना कैसे है, स्टार्ट कैसे करना है। सो या आई मीन आई हैड सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन अ वे दैट, पहले तो इसको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को खोलना was challenging, then the construction was another challenge, in Pakistan, like ईद आ गई तो हॉलीडेज शुरू हो गए, हॉलीडेज के ऊपर भी उन्होंने हॉलीडेज लेने होते हैं लेबर ने, बिकॉज आवर पीपल टेक देयर लाइक टाइम. So those challenges, then like once it was ready, then like having people's trust was another issue, that we were like new, and it happens like word of mouth say. So wo obviously like initially we got 3 kids, and then slowly and gradually जैसे जैसे चीजें like settle होती गई, जैसे जैसे लोगों को पता चलता गया कि okay like and then people trust mashallah Beacon House, and वो भी एक था कि उन्होंने ये खोला है, तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि, लेकिन इनिशियल में प्रॉब्लम्स थी, इनिशियल में लोगों को कन्विंस करना कि मैं एक चीज़ बनाने के लिए जा रही हूँ. एंड आई रिमेंबर माई मदर इन लॉ टेलिंग मी अगेन एंड अगेन, Mrs. Nasreen Kasuri, that you have to do your homework. It's a big responsibility. You have to do your homework. And whenever I used to go to her office, and मतलब मैं सोचती थी कि मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है, and obviously she's much more like experienced. So she used to tell me, no, but tell me what about this thing. And I'm like, okay, I still have to do my homework. So yeah. So I mean, it was tough,
Of course.
convincing her from like beginning and till now, like she's always like monitoring, and she's always telling me that okay, like why don't you do this thing, why don't you introduce this thing in the orphanage. And I think I'm still learning, yeah.
If you could go back in time to when you started this organization,
Yeah.
What would you tell yourself maybe about? Would you change anything? Would you advise yourself differently? At the time, as you said, you're still learning. You must have learned so much throughout this process.
Yeah.
Or do you feel like everything went out fine?
I think so, yeah. I mean, yeah, I mean, I would definitely, जैसे चीज़ें मैंने स्टार्ट की और जिस तरह से वो चीज़ें अब यहाँ तक पहुँची हैं, I don't think so. Like, I think like, I've done well.
That's good. Yeah, that's confidence.
Yeah. So, I mean, not really.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very I guess it's kind of relieving as well.
Yeah.
That, like, सब
No,
कुछ
I
चल
mean,
गया,
no
everything worked
regrets.
out.
Thankfully, like, I
That's
mean,
good.
I don't feel like, that मुझे कुछ चीज़ differently करनी चाहिए थी, और I think जो भी था वो it was a learning process. जो challenges भी थे वो भी अगर मुझे नहीं नज़र आते, मुझे नहीं मिलते, तो मैं उन चीज़ों से और उन pressure से नहीं गुजरती. And as you take those like pressures, और आप I think life, मेरे ख्याल में life जितने भी challenges आपको देती है, और आप जिन भी challenges से गुजरते हो, आप वो गुजर के ही वो बनते हो जो आप आज हो. So मैं समझती हूँ कि आज मैं जो भी हूँ, मैं उन challenges से गुजरी हूँ. So वो जो मुश्किल time थे और आसान और ऊपर नीचे का जो टाइम था, आई थिंक वो उसमें से गुजर के इंसान जो है वो कहीं पहुंचता है.
That's very
Yeah.
inspiring. What advice would you give after all that you've learned? What advice would you give to young people who also have a similar vision?
Do your homework. Do your homework and um, keep that dedication, and keep learning process जो है वो कभी भी ख़त्म नहीं होना चाहिए. I think हमेशा एक जो खोज होती है उसको जारी रखें एंड मेहनत करें एंड इंशाल्लाह ताला then nothing can stop you. You will grow, you will prosper, and I wish you all the best.
That's very inspiring.
Yeah.
So at the Lighthouse, you focus on both educational and vocational training. So I wanted to delve into the vocational training. What inspires you to do that? What do you feel like the youth should be empowered?
So, Tazeen, vocational training was the idea of, again, like Mrs. Nasreen Kasoori. Basically, the thing is that uh, often we get like, we have like queries for older kids. And we'd like to accommodate them, because this organization is basically from 3 to 11.
Oh.
So sometimes we get like, sometimes we do get these cases of, a household like, abusive, like, parents are not good, or the stepfather, or like, उस तरह से वो नहीं है. तो वीड लाइक टू टेक देम एंड बट उनको फिर वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि आप उनकी ग्रूमिंग जो है वो आप उस लेवल से नहीं कर सकते. तो उनके लिए भी ज़रूरी है. एंड देन वी आर प्लानिंग के ख़वातीन के लिए भी वी आर प्लानिंग कि उनको भी वहाँ पे वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग दी जाए, ताकि एंड स्पेशली विडोज़, ताकि उनके लिए भी कुछ इस तरह से प्रोग्राम हो कि वो अपना ब्रेड एंड बटर अर्न कर सकें. So that's very important. I feel that vocational training is like very, very important these days. Yeah, ताकि students can choose their path. It's very important. Yeah.
As a philanthropist in Pakistan, how do you see philanthropy evolving? Like, do you feel also the way that social media has now become very prominent, and the way that you must have seen videos of people, it's become a trend now to showcase charities and things like that. So do you feel like the controversy here, that do you think that it
that you shouldn't post
what do you feel about that?
I often get these comments, by the way, on my social media. I often get these comments. I remember, like, once someone said that because I organize this Ramzan Dastarkhan every Ramzan. So someone just mentioned that under that picture, that why are you publicizing? Why are you posting these pictures? And Bill Gates donated blah 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 and this and that, and he never mentioned. So I was like, how do you know that he donated this much?
It was publicized,
one
way or another.
How do you know? So there you go, like, So obviously Bill Gates ने अपने पोस्ट नहीं किया होगा, लेकिन किसी ने उसका पोस्ट कर दिया होगा. So I was like, so I get these things, but I feel that.
But you also feel, I think it also does. Do you think it promotes charity as well?
Definitely. People, I mean, get motivation, and why not? I know, like, I started this Dastarkhan, and one of my friends started this, like, that it's a good thing, that if you can bring that change, why not? If you are doing something good, just share it with people like you share other stuff. Why to hide this thing? I mean, to be honest, I don't believe कि अच्छा charity आप कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मुझे इस चीज का पता है कि आप नहीं, but then फिर आप society में change कैसे ला सकते हैं? मुझे पता है कि आप in Islam it's like, कि एक हाथ से करो तो दूसरे हाथ को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए, but फिर हम माशरे में तब्दीली कैसे ला सकते हैं? Then लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि उन्होंने करना क्या है? If someone is doing something, then people should know, and people should get motivated by those things.
Very true.
I mean, don't you think it's
Yeah, I completely agree.
yeah.
There is, there's the controversy. It's a
Controversy, yeah.
huge controversy.
Yeah.
It's like a question के trend ही से charity तो दे रहे हैं लोग. So
Yeah.
in the end, there is still good coming out of it.
Yeah.
So what if you're
Exactly.
publicizing
Yeah.
it?
And पाकिस्तान में बहुत लोग चैरिटी करते हैं, बहुत लोग करते हैं. And obviously, when I started this thing, I started looking at someone. You know?
True.
I started getting the idea, as I said, getting the idea from Idisa. I remember Princess Diana used to go everywhere and hug patients and her warmth was there. So I mean, you learn from these people. There is no harm in it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is very true. So thank you so much for this. Are you working on any other projects at the moment?
I'm involved. I'm involved in my father's. Obviously, I have to take his legacy and my father-in-law's. So I'm involved in politics recently, and
how's that going?
Tough, quite demanding. But
you have a good mentor, your father.
Yes, and my father-in-law is been a lot of help. He's also guiding me. So let's see कहाँ पहुँचती है ये.
Okay. So that must be an interesting new venue for you to be exploring.
It is, yeah, it is.
Does that get in the way of your lighthouse project, or?
Not really. Not really. In fact, it's something similar to that, because I'm working, and I'm seeing people's problems, their problems they are facing, day-to-day problems. So it's quite similar, So yeah. So I mean, life में I feel तज़ीम challenge नहीं हो तो मज़ा नहीं आता. So and jitne bhi, I mean, people often tell me, my friends, that Amna, just at least leave one thing, and I'm like, no, I have to keep going, keep doing. So ek cheez hai to dusri cheez kar li hai aur teesri cheez kar li.
It's very tiring though.
It is, but that's the fun, and that's, I think I got it from my father, that just take lots of responsibilities, and if your intention is good, then you'll get there.
So you're very busy, obviously, with your schedule. You have so much going on. You have so many projects at the time. So when you relax, when you get the time to relax, what do you do in your free time? How do you unwind? What do you do?
Tazeen, I spend time with my kids. I mean, ideally, that's my preference, that I should be with my children. But otherwise I would watch old Hindi film.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So or listen to the music, basically ghazals, or old Indian music. I'm quite
on the old Indian side.
Yeah,
That's
old
nice.
Indian side, not the new one.
Traditional. That's nice.
Yeah. So otherwise it's free time में बच्चों के साथ उनकी activities होती हैं, and I mean, obviously they are quite demanding, especially my chota wala. So yeah. So he's the big boss basically. Yeah, so in our family, तो उसका वो हर चीज करनी पड़ती है और माननी पड़ती है. So yeah, I mean, that's it.
Where do you guys go? Do you guys do any holidays, any hangouts?
We try, but we take them out for dinner, or we do this movie nights at home.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so it's either
किसकी choice चलती है?
Choice is that's a difficult one. The choice is once it's my beta's choice, then my girl's choice, then मेरी बारी सबसे last में आती है, because they know that I'm going to choose something Indian, and it's पुरानी मैं उनको movies दिखाती हूँ तो वो मुझे कहते हैं कि मम्मा आप कहाँ से ये वाली movies ढूंढ लेती हैं, and I'm like no चुप करके बैठो. So उनको पता होता है तो वो है कि कुछ ना कुछ हमारा घर पे भी we organize these movie nights, so बच्चे काफी खुश रहते हैं उसमें.
That's
yeah, and I cook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You like cooking.
I like cooking, yeah. I mean, I've started liking it, you know. I mean, it's not like कि मुझे पहले कोई आती थी, but अब आके I think again like you know social media पे देख देख के and चीजें you know वो आप देखते हैं and आप सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं. So now I've started like you know cooking for my children and they just
That's
love
nice.
it. Yeah, they love it. Yeah.
What cuisines do you mainly?
I think like Italian, you know, pizzas and pastas and
बच्चों को
I-
पसंद ही होते हैं.
and I've recently like you know started like you know making these like you know Spanish paellas and I mean so it's like I try like you know different dishes basically.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. थोड़ा free time मिलता है तो okay, it's nice that you
so,
get to.
yeah, it's very therapeutic like you know
Mhm.
cooking is like तो वो मैं करती हूँ तो वो मुझे काफी like you know उसमें सुकून मिलता है कि I'm doing something for my bachas basically.
That's nice. That's
Yeah,
lovely.
yeah.
As Beacon House students, we all look up to you very, very much at Beacon House International College.
Yeah.
So we would love for some advice, anything that you would like to say to us.
Tazeen, I would like to advise you that stay focused in your life and come to this campus. It's a beautiful campus. I just love it, you know. And इतनी अच्छी फैसिलिटी है यहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज़ हैं यहाँ पे तो आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज एंड रिस्पेक्ट योर टीचर्स and yeah try to like you know achieve and obviously I mean my best wishes for all the Beacon House students.
Any other future visions for the lighthouse?
Inshallah Tazeen, I'm obviously expansion ka like you know we are planning and planning on inshallah opening in other cities in Pakistan. Yes,
That's nice.
definitely.
Expanding. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for joining us
Thank
today.
you so
It was
much
a
for
pleasure
giving
to
me
have
this
you.
opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
inshallah, we will see you on the next episode of Big Podcast. I love this.